Hello everyone, in this video tutorial I will show you how to use the animated liquid paint Photoshop action. Let's start. It's my example file. As you can see, first we need set our main image as default background layer with log. After that we need to create a mask layer and draw over your object, and after you need to create a brush layer and draw area where you want to see a liquid paint effect. Okay, these three basic layers that you need to have. Also, before we start, I will show you how to reset your main image to a default background layer with lock. For example, in most cases when you will open PNG file, you will see this picture. You will have usual layer with name layer 0, and how we can convert this layer into background with lock layer. Okay, it's pretty easy. Just select your layer, your main image, and go to layer, new, and background from layer, and Photoshop will convert your main image into default layer with name background and with lock. Okay, after that we need to install our action, pattern, and brushes. Okay, also inside your archive that you downloaded, you will see the displacement map and textures. Let's start. Let's install our action. For this, go to action panel, go to right corner, click and click load action, find your action, select and click open. Okay, I have one and it's duplicated. I delete. I don't need this. I have one. Okay, after that go to edit, presets, preset manager, and we need to install brushes and patterns. First we need to install our brushes. Go to brushes menu, click load, select, it's yep, it's my paint brushes. Okay, my paint brushes folder with all brushes that I need. Okay, go next, go to patterns menu, click load, select our liquid patterns, click open. Okay, I have this one, but it doesn't matter if you have the duplicated version. Okay, click done. All tools are installed and we can start. Okay, go to animated liquid paint folder, and as you can see, we have two steps. First step is about creating aesthetic liquid paint version, and if you want add the animation, just select a step 2, add the animation, and click play. Okay, start with first step. I have all necessary layers for using my action. Okay, click play. Okay, we have the first notification from Adobe Photoshop, and what do we see? We need to set the value 1 and 15 and select displacement map from the folder of the item. Okay, now press continue. Okay, I set my value as mentioned before. Okay, and set stretch to fit and repeat edge pixels. Okay, select our displacement map. Okay, after that we need select overlay texture from texture folder and place into your document. Now press continue. Okay, we need to set texture overlay and click place. Click enter on your keyboard, and we need select background texture from texture folder and place into your document. Okay, press continue. We need select texture back, place it. Okay, it's our basic results, and your static image is ready. When you will finish to work with static image, go to step 2 and add the animation. And my recommendation is reduce image size to 1280 pixels on one side before adding animation for better performance and final size of your animation. Cool. What we see, sorry, my Photoshop is stuck. Okay. We have a texture back and texture overlay. Of course, we can turn off these two layers, and you can turn off background layer. What I want to say, you can work with original background of your image, of your photo or picture. Okay, go to our basic results, go to main elements. We have colorize, liquid texture, original image, and liquid elements. Okay, what we can do now, if you want, we can fix this part of image, and it depends on your image. In any image you don't need to fix this, or you can use this result and get to realistic liquid paint effect. Okay, let's remove a little bit here and here, maybe a little bit here. Okay. Yes, it's our final results, and you can add a texture, just like paint texture, like your main image on your wall or your texture. It's work only when we have a texture back and texture overlay. Just select the back original back. Oops, sorry, it's duplicate. I think it's doesn't matter in this case. Yeah. Just select any brushes when you installed. I put two paint brushes, just if you want to remove some part of your images. I think many users have own cool brushes, paint brushes, for example, maybe this. Cool. Okay, on this step you can save it as a JPEG file, as static image. Okay, let's go next. For example, I want to add my animation. Okay, you can, before playing this step, open the timeline panel. If you don't see this panel, go to Window and find Timeline menu. Okay. Go to Action Panel, go to Step 2, select and click Play. We have the first reminder that we need to reduce resolution for better performance and results. Okay, I forgot to do this, and go to image size, and reduce my resolution to this value. Okay. And click play. Okay, our step is finished, and let's see our animation. This effect, like after raining, cool liquid effect. We need to wait a little bit while Photoshop calculate each frames for us. Cool. Our animation is ready. This animation, I like it, and I want to export my results into GIF format. But don't forget that you can export as image sequence or render as video. You can export image sequence and render video via this menu, render video, but now we need to export as GIF format. Click this menu. Don't worry about this. We need to wait a little bit while Photoshop calculate each frame made cache. It's not about that Photoshop not working or stuck. Don't worry about that. I'm sure that on your computer it's working more faster, because I record video and my Photoshop works slower. Okay, it's default settings, export GIF format, and final step, you need to change looping option from once to forever. And maybe okay, I don't need to resize it. Okay, click save. Click save, and go to our folder and see the final animation. Okay, it's my animation. Okay, I like this effect. Like after raining day, you have a paint on your wall and paint liquid on your wall. Cool. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. My email you will find in the help PDF file on last page. Okay, thanks for watching and bye.